We found Australia's best bang for buck suspension lift on the market. Folks, this right here is the very same Formula 4x4 lift kit that I've been running in my D-Max all over Australia through some of the absolute worst conditions you can take a vehicle through, and it has never let me down. But let me show you just why it represents such good value for money. The Formula shocks are designed and engineered right here in Brisbane. They feature everything a high quality shock should. A bigger bore to hold more oil for cooling, better seals and pistons specifically designed for off-road use. They use legendary King springs for the front struts and quality Formula rear springs. Plus they have a full range of spring rates to suit the weight that you're carrying. It's even down to the bushes. Every kit comes with a full set of SuperPro bushes. SuperPro give better flex and abrasion resistant, won't be affected by oil, petrol or water, and are backed by a lifetime warranty. So what you get is a high quality lift kit that's been tested all over Australia, yet is priced much lower than similar kits on the market. And this is because Fulcrum design, engineer and manufacture all of this themselves. Then sell it online to cut out the middleman, passing the savings onto you. They also back up with a 3-year, 60,000 kilometre warranty to give you peace of mind. To find out all the details, go to fulcrumsuspensions.com.au.